Enjoy this movie, then visit brainpop.com for much more.
Are you sure you know what you're doing? How are we supposed to get back down? And how do we go higher? I hope we can cut enough weight to get over that. Dear Tim and Moby, how do you solve an inequality? From Matt. Solving an inequality is a lot like solving a regular equation. Just about all the same rules apply. The difference is that an inequality shows the relationship between quantities that are not equal. Inequalities use symbols like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Matter of fact, we've got ourselves a little inequality staring us in the face right now. We're cruising along at, right, 1,190 meters above sea level. And that mountain up ahead is 1,315 meters high. We know that 1,190 is less than 1,315. The question is, how many meters do we need to add to our height so that it's greater than the mountains? That x is a variable, an unknown amount represented by a letter. To solve an inequality, you isolate the variable, just as if you were solving a regular equation. In our case, that means subtracting 1,190 from the left side of the formula. But like in an equation, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. You can do the same kind of thing with addition, multiplication, or division, depending on the problem. Now, let's solve our inequality. X plus 1,190 minus x is greater than 125. So, we need to climb more than 125 meters to clear that mountain. We can graph our inequality on a number line this way. See, the red line starts at 125 and points upward into infinity. That means x is greater than 125. If x were greater than or equal to 125, we'd just fill in the circle. See? Now, according to this, we rise 1 meter for every kilogram of weight we dump. So we need to dump more than 125 kilograms. There's only 120 kilograms of ballast. That means we'll be 5 meters short. No, wait a second. I forgot to mention, I brought my weights along. I don't know, you said it'd be a long trip, and I thought I might pass the time with some exercise? Fine. I suppose you're going to tell me that we're not going bowling either.
Visit us at brainpop.com for more on this topic and hundreds of others. You'll find movies, games, quizzes, and activities. Learn more about the difference BrainPop can make.